Hi, I'm Terry and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're diving deep into a bowl of pure comfort. Olive Garden's Tortellini Alfredo. Think creamy and cheesy with a sprinkle of smoky bacon goodness and utterly delicious. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this restaurant quality dish made right in your own kitchen. So grab your apron and let's get started on some comfort food. The first thing we're going to do is take a 9-ounce package of cheese tortellini and we're going to just cook it according to package instructions, drain it and set it aside. Then we're going to fry up 3 slices of bacon until they're crisp and crumble them up. Now we're all set to work on our Alfredo sauce. Okay, I'm using the same skillet that I cooked the bacon in, and I left maybe a teaspoonful of the bacon grease behind just to flavor it. We're going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic and let it cook for just about a minute. You don't want to burn it. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. Once our butter melts, we're going to put in a ½ cup of heavy cream. And once our cream and butter begin to bubble slightly, we're going to add a ½ cup of shredded Parmesan. Once we put in the Parmesan and it completely melts, then we'll toss in our tortellini. Okay, you can see that our cream and butter is starting to bubble, so now I'm going to add our Parmesan cheese. You can see the little flecks of bacon in there where we actually deglazed our skillet. Just adds extra flavor. Almost there. It's getting nice and cheesy. Now I'm going to turn off my heat and we're going to add our tortellinis and just toss them through our sauce. Make sure you stir them pretty carefully. You don't want to tear apart your tortellini. Now if you need to, if you feel like it's too thick, you can always add a little bit of your pasta water to it. You know, maybe a tablespoon at a time. I don't think this is too thick. I think this looks just about right. Now to finish it off, we're going to add our crumbled bacon to the top. And about a tablespoon of sliced scallions. And there you go. Under 30 minutes, you've got a fantastic dinner. So now you've got a restaurant quality meal made right in your own kitchen. This recipe is perfect for a cozy night in or a special occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our Olive Garden inspiration. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.